importer, Jose, Vistech, called me and said, "Hey, David, it's time to break the bank. Found a Honda super rare. I think you should really buy it. I don't think we'll ever see this again." So it took me a while to contemplate, do I really want it? And I said, yeah, let's just do it. So 3 months later, here it is. Hello, my name is David Marquez, and this is my 1996 Honda Accord Wagon, SiR edition, with a full Mugen body kit. That is my Orthia. We'll get that to another day, but it is also fully Mugen kit as well. So how I picked up or got into a wagon was I got the Honda Orthia first, fully kitted from Japan, in white, and my importer, Jose, Vistech, called me and said, "Hey, David, it's time to break the bank. Found a Honda super rare. I think you should really buy it. I don't think we'll ever see this again." So it took me a while to contemplate, do I really want it? And I said, yeah, let's just do it. So 3 months later, here it is. A great buy, really enjoy it. And by the way, I'm not much of a Honda guy, but I do love how they, how they're so intricate in their body kits. And I'm even not a body kit guy, but I love the Mugen body kits. They're awesome, and the rarity of it is well worth it. So now here I am with two rare Honda wagons that I'm really enjoying, and I barely take them to car shows. When I first bought it, was screaming to me was in the 90s. This was like it was just a car that, most Latinos and Raza had, whether you're cleaning houses, your tias were cleaning houses, or, getting the family around. It never really drew my attention. And I never knew they even had a SiR engine. So what really drew me to it was, I didn't know there was a different caliber of wagon in this style. So that's what really drew me to knowing, wow, it has an SiR engine, that was never made in the States. So that really made me pull the trigger even more, knowing how they did little different things in Japan than they brought it out here, which was really cool, bringing it, how they, put that engine in. So a really fun wagon to drive. It is extremely slow, but it is a very smooth ride. So the wagon came in as it is. I have done absolutely nothing but, done basic maintenance to it. There was nothing to do to the car, which is even better, but I can't believe the body is a 9, no dents, no scratches. It's pretty mint condition. So that was another selling point. Pictures don't always do justice when they're overseas, because I've had my fair issues with pictures, and when you come, you get disappointed. But this car is, has done extremely well. The pictures were exactly what they were. So don't plan on doing anything to the car. It's going to be the exact same how, I brought it in, just clean up. Hardest parts now are insurance. With owning a lot of vehicles, Haggerty and Grundy, they're starting to sweat me a lot on, on that. But aside from that, the car's value is not like a Lamborghini or Ferrari, so it's not bad at all to manage these cars. But those are the biggest challenges you have. Registration, which there's ways around in California. It's not too bad. But importing a car, your biggest challenges are going to be registration and insurance. My favorite part about the vehicle is the rear wing. It's not cracked, it's not sun damaged. This thing's been in the garage since the 90s. Also, the front bumper, all the lights, corner lights, everything is just been really taken care of. So I've never seen even duplicates of these bumpers. I've never even seen the bumpers for sale on eBay. I've gone through rabbit holes trying to find parts, but to find it all in mint condition and with no sun damage is what I'm extremely proud of having. Currently, there is no future plans, but you know, I do get hit up a lot if I want to sell. Obviously, the price would have to be right, but my plan is to just basically do a refresh on the engine. There's nothing to do on the outside I have to do, but mostly engine work and making it look OEM. I don't plan on getting no exhaust. I just, if I find anything that fits and sounds good, maybe, but at this point, as is, looks good to me. I'm always looking for cars. I'm always looking for rarity. So if opportunity comes and I find something else, yes, I would purchase another car. But with the difference between the Accord and the Orthia, the Accord drives extremely smooth, way smoother than the Orthia. A little bit more space. I don't know what they were thinking when they made them at the same time. You know, so they're both wagons, both great cars. That one has a little bit stiffer suspension. So, you know, that one has a little bit more stuff to it to make it drive a little different, but definitely the Accord, which I've been in since the 90s, you know, I think a little bit more nostalgia hits me with it, but they're both great cars, but the Accord definitely is the absolute smoother car, by far, by far.
You never owned an Accord, right?
I have never owned an Accord. Yeah.
Yeah, most people don't, unless it's a hand-me-down.
No, yeah.
And they get rid of it.
My sisters had them. My mom's had them.
This generation?
I've never had them. Yeah, this generation.
Amazing cars.
Yeah.
They'll run forever. Clearly,
Yeah.
they'll run.
They run forever. So this is the engine. It's a 2.2 liter H22A engine, SiR. Needs a little work. It looks a little weathered, but no rust, as you can see. But it just needs a refresh. That's it. But the car has 77,000 kilometers, which makes it almost maybe 45, 50,000 miles US. So the car was barely driven in all its years. I don't know what that mathematically adds up to every month, but you can tell. All right, shout outs to Jose, Vistec, my importer, to my wife for letting me always buy these cars. I appreciate it. Drive her nuts with all the cars I have. But that's it. And Gus. Always Gus. Always. Thank you.
Thank you, buddy. All right, man. That's it.
That's it. That's it.
Thanks for the opportunity, dude. This
Yeah.
is so cool.
Hopefully it's
Oh my
sounds.
God.
Hopefully it sounds good.
That voice of the actor.